This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, September 7th. Stock index futures are trading lower due to renewed hawkish comments from Federal Reserve officials. Just yesterday, we had Boston Fed Bank President Susan Collins saying she needs more evidence to convince her that inflation has been tamed and more increases in interest rates could be needed depending upon upcoming data. In the currency markets, the dollar index advanced to its highest level since early March. Recent strength in the greenback is due to on-again hawkish comments from Fed officials and disappointing economic data in Asia and Europe. Interest rate differential expectations remain very favorable for the greenback, especially against the European currencies, since the U.S. economy appears to be holding up relatively well compared to economies in Europe. So longer term, I would expect higher prices for the dollar index and lower prices for all of the other major currencies. As far as other economic news, we had the Eurozone gross domestic product expanding only 0.1% in the most recent quarter. Also, we had a house price index in the UK falling by more than expected in August. And in the interest rate futures markets, Federal Reserve speakers today are John Williams at 2:30, Raphael Bostic at 2:45, and also again at 7 o'clock. So it is likely that comments from Fed officials will probably be hawkish on balance. I think we can anticipate that. Also, there is now only a 9% probability that the Fed will hike by 25 basis points at the September 20th meeting. However, there are increasing probabilities that the Fed will hike at the November 1st meeting by 25 basis points, and now there is a 51% probability of that rate increase at that November 1st meeting. So that is about as high as we've seen it as far as an additional rate hike from the Fed. So as far as these financial markets are concerned, the place to be right now is long the dollar, short all of the other major currencies. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.